Not everyone does the installation themselves. We've seen people use this in so many different ways. Most people work with a kind of installer, a feature installer, but still being able to understand the process kind of allows them to feel a lot more confident when they're choosing who to work with. So maybe you could kind of take us through just like conceptually how you see this part.
Yeah, I mean, conceptually I see this part as, it's almost like being on the bridge of the ship, you know, being able to see what's ahead of you, but also being able to sort of look at the finer detail in front of you. So you know what those kind of 6 big things are that need to happen. But if I know that there's kind of 6 stages, I know what I need to ask about ahead. So, you know, is there something I need to do for the installer to help smooth the process? I can ask if I need to be concerned about any bits if I haven't quite understood them. So it just creates a real partnership between the contractor and the person who's, you know, the customer as well. And I think, yeah, I mean, a recent example was a woman who was trying to piece together how it all worked, and we gave her the structure, and actually the way that she wrapped up the project, she said, I'm going to really miss my contractor. She said, we've spent so much time together kind of working shoulder to shoulder through this project to forge a really strong working relationship and really trust each other in that process as well. I think that's probably the other big thing is trust, bit of order and knowing what's next.